What is going on, people from the tube? Welcome back to another Pancho Things. This is a bittersweet. This is the second to last hunt of the season. So we are here, different spot. There's quite a bit of water and there's quite a few spots. So I wouldn't be surprised if I had to move today. But we'll see what's gonna happen. I have people shooting around me a lot. So let's see. Momo is right there. Just chilling in his blind. My chair is there. I got my stuff heating back here. So I'm gonna finish to set up. I got my decoy set up. I might have to move things around. I might have to move myself around. So let's see what's gonna happen. Let's get started. Behind me there is an insane amount of vegetation, so I gotta be careful with the birds that I'm shooting on top because I don't wanna lose any birds. So I gotta be really careful with what I'm doing today and how the shots that I'm taking, because otherwise this can go crazy really quickly. So once the light comes out, I'll show you guys what the decoy spread is. Temperature dropped a little, so I'm keeping Commodore warm in there, not making him get in the water too much. And I gotta finish to set up some things, and hopefully we get a really good early fly and we can put some birds on. So let's see. There's a lot of pintails in the move. I gotta be really careful. They're a little high. Come here! Dead bird! Back! Come here! Back! Back! Yeah, people are shooting at super tall birds. Here! Here! Come on! Hold! My bird! Good boy, please! Alright, we're on the board. Thank you, bird. Good boy, Momo. Alright. That's what I was saying. There's too many pintails. I have to take that long shot, otherwise. Good boy, Momo. Good boy. He got cold, guys. There's barely no wind. He got really cold. Move those guys out. Oh, way too close. Bufflehead. Kristen, there is your bird. A little bufflehead. There's a lot of shooting on that end, but they're killing it all, or they're just sky busting and these birds are just flaring. So yeah, there's a little bit of tall shooting still. I think that many dogs are gonna come too much down today. I have way too much people shooting around me, so I'm gonna have to start taking shots here because otherwise I'm gonna lose all my opportunities. The only problem is that I need to make sure of what I'm shooting, because my first bird is a pintail. Fortunately, that's pretty much what is being coming down. everything is either too far or pintails. That's the bad thing. Like once you shoot the pintail for the first bird of the day, then you kind of stuck. You gotta be really careful. And right now, pretty much that's all he's moving. Just pintails. I've seen a couple of teals here and there, but nothing close to me. I have missed a couple opportunities because I don't want to shoot too tall. But I'm running out of options here because everybody's shooting a little tall today. So, and when I took the pintail, I knew what it was. I actually singled out the one in the middle because it was the drake. I didn't want to shoot a hen, so freaking hawk killing me, bro. Get out of here. Go away. So it seems that every time that I see a dog, I'm looking the opposite direction. If I'm looking there, then it's coming from back there. If I'm looking there, it's coming from there. Like, it's crazy. Good looking bird. Oh yeah, he got mingled. He got mingled. I think it's time to get a Red Bull and re-strategize here. You know what time it is? Red Bullio. Here we go. So we can bring some birds. I'm getting short-stopped. There's something here, something in my decoys that they don't like. They literally, they see it, they kind of like it, and then when they get closer, something is not right, and I don't know what it is. This is gonna be a long one. What's up, buddy?
What's happening, Mr. Pancho?
I'm right here sitting on that one pintail.
Oh, man. You know what I was thinking after when I shot my sixth bird? I said call Pancho and see if I could go out there and shoot a pintail. And then the little drake greenwing flew by and I said, nope. I knew I should have, man, I knew I should have asked you. God dang it.
Yeah, that's all there is been here. It's just pintail. Just now there was a little flock of like shovelers, but like all that has been moving here has been pintails.
What you got?
I got a nice drake, but yeah, that's about it. I got some neighbors that I think that your old neighbors came this way today.
Well, if you want to switch spots, by the time you get there, it'd be 10 o'clock. It'd be just like the last time.
That's where you were?
Yeah, I was in that same spot where you sat in that one spot in the Tulies.
Yeah.
I sat in the same spot.
They were doing the same thing?
I had 5 coots out, and 3 teal.
Oh wow. Yeah, I might take that.
Yeah, just tell them that you're going to add on with Andy.
Okay, let me organize my stuff here and I'll head that way. Okay, perfect.
Alrighty?
Alrighty.
Alright.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, so Andy limit out. We swapped the spot, so this is the second spot that I hunted with him that day. Sorry, I'm winded, kind of running, trying to get here on time. So 6 decoys. All right, so we got 6 decoys and the motion decoy. Camera, please. So they started as a morning hunt and it's turning into an afternoon hunt. How did I miss that? Dear Lord. Holy moly, I can shoot for my life today, guys. Cover, that bird. Here. Come on. Come on. Here. Come on, big guy. Here. Come at her. Here. Hold. My bird. Good boy. Thank you, bird. Please. Good boy. Thank you, bird. There we go. All right. That's 2. Here we go. What's up, buddy?
Hey, morning there, Pancho.
All right, I'm here.
Anything flying?
Yeah, I already shot one.
Alright.
Yeah, I already got one, and I missed a couple because I was standing really weird. I ended up in my yeah, it was funny though. Like I sent the shot, and then like the other 2 shots were like they went to Narnia because I was going backwards. But yeah, there's some birds flying, so let's see if we can smack a couple more.
There you go. There you go. So you only had the pintail and just a couple spoons fly by in there, huh?
Yeah, there was a group of 5, and by the time that, like, they were kind of tall, so by the time that I started working them out, they turned and they were going to do it, but the guys behind me shot and they just spooked up.
Yeah.
They just got spooked and they just went away, and I tried to call them back, but no, there was not turning them around.
Now once they're coming in and coming down and then they hear a shot.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, they're gone. There's no second chance on that. Commodore is gonna go in there and be like, I don't know what you want me to look in there, man. Like Oh, here comes another one. Let's see. Camera, dead bird. There he goes. All right. All right, brother. I'll let you know how this ends up.
That's called the phone duck, Pancho. All right.
All righty, brother. Well, be safe, and I'll text you when I'm done here.
All righty, you look good.
All right, brother. Thank you. How about? Come on, here. Come on. Here. Here. Come on, come on. Here we go. Hold. My bird. Good boy. Thank you, bird. Good boy, Momo. Somebody. No? Good boy, big guy. Good boy. Alright, so that's número 3. I just can see really well here. Alright, time for another one. Let's see if we can get some birds to come in. Oh, well, this spot already produced 2 birds in like 45 minutes to an hour. Gonna do it on the other side. I didn't see that guy there. There's 2 over there. Where are these birds coming from? Jesus. Birds on the decoys and I cannot see them. I'm starting to believe that these birds are coming out of the reeds. This is where Andy and I lost 2 birds. I'm starting to believe that they're coming out of the reeds because swimming, because I didn't see those birds come through. Coming from the reeds, popping from the reeds. That is so crazy. Never seen that. Wow, that's pretty cool, actually. Come on, that bird. Here, here. That bird. Hey, here, that bird. Push it up. The bird. Ah, I didn't want to lose the bird. Oh man, here. I almost didn't take the shot, almost, to avoid that. Ah man, I'll be attempting. Yikes. Come here, dead bird. Dead bird. Another good boy. Thank you, bird. Come on. Give me 1 second. There's a bird. What? Commodore, what is the bird? Fetch it up! Fetch the bird! What is the bird? What is the bird? Fetch it up! Around his neck. Ah, dude. Ah. Please. Come on, big guy. Please. There's no way. Come on, that bird. Here. Here. Come on. Come on, big guy. Here. Stay. Come on up here. My bird, back. Thank you, bird. Come on, the bird, back. Here. Hold. My bird. Good boy. Come here. The bird. The bird. Here. The bird. Here. Sit. Stay. The bird. Back. There he is. Here. Hold the bird. My bird. Good boy. Thank you, birds. All right. Please. Good boy. Good boy. One bird for the limit. Did good. That was my bad. I should have put that bird stray there. Not leave it in his mouth. I should have just put that bird in the basket. It's not his fault. That's all me. Only 2 shells left. 40 seconds in the camera. Limit out. Woo! Woo! Limit out. Empty. No more shells. Woohoo! Come on, here. Come on. Here, big boy. Here. Yeah. Yeah. So this memory is about to die, and the rest of the memories are in my car. So I'll catch you with you guys in the car. All right, you guys. Everything is packed up. Woo! Look how tired. Look at my eyes. All right, now that I got some eye drop, those will get you. Oh. Oh my goodness. Woo! All right, so all packed up. Leave it out. Limit it out. So this is quite epic. Reason being is this is my second to last hunt of the season, and quite honestly, I wasn't expecting to limit out. I was expecting to probably shoot some bears. Now, I explain a little bit really quickly what went down. So I went to the first spot, and I was forced to shoot a little taller. Not because I wanted to. Give me 1 second, I gotta check something. Not because the birds were too tall or whatever. The problem is that if people shoot tall on bears that are tall, the birds don't work out. They won't work, they won't move, they won't do anything. So I had to start shooting a little tall. Most of the shots that I took in this first spot were tall. Other shots I missed. So hit the first pintail, only bird that I hit in that first spot, and only the only kind of birds that were flying. There was a couple of guide balls, there was a couple of shovelers, but they didn't commit. Andy calls me because I text him to find out how he was doing, and he was already limited out by like 9 in the morning or 8 in the morning or so. So I text him and he's like, oh, what you guys heard on the conversation. So I was like, okay, I'll do the switch. We were able to accomplish the limit. Now this time around, I gotta say thanks to the hawks, because that's what pushed the birds my way, because the birds were already not having nothing to do with my decoys and where I was sitting. So the hawks pushed the birds towards me. Unfortunately, we lost 2 birds. One, and I should have taken that shot earlier. That shot should have been earlier, and he would have glided, but not that much, and I would have not lost it. But I was afraid that I was going to miss him if I was that little far out. The second one that we lost, unfortunately, I ringed the neck on that dog twice. The first time when I got him. The second time, Commodore was like excited about the dog. So I already run the neck once. I tossed it in the water and the dog started diving on me. So I picked it up and I ranged his neck again. And it should have been dead. So Commodore had it in his mouth, and I was trying to juggle throwing away my shells because the wind was so heavy that my shells were flying everywhere. And you guys know I like to keep my stuff really clean and organized, and I don't like to leave shells behind or any of my trash. And turns out that Commodore opened his mouth so he could get into the blind, and the bird jumped off the blind and there was no way to it. And I walked several times back and forward to try to see if I could find him, and no way to it. There you have it. Limit. Woo! I'm excited. I'm happy. With that, I'm gonna say thank you so very much for watching. Like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell so you can be notified every time that I upload a new video, and I will see you in the next one. Pancho out. One more hunt, season is over. Don't miss the last hunt. There is a lot of information going down the pipe at that point, so just check it out. Pancho out.